Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to attend 2021 Midea HBT Global Partner Conference. With the improvement of global economy and the advancement of urbanization, the utilization of elevator become wider and more popular. Elevator is very necessary part for a building, especially for the high-rise one. The sales volume of global elevator market is over 1 million units, which is about 10 million US dollar. There are many modernization projects every year. We can look forward to the prospect market. Then let me share some information about WINONE Elevator with you. As we can see, WINONE Elevator Company was established in 2002. It's located at National High-Tech Zone Core Park in Foshan, only 1 hour driving far from Midea headquarters. And we have 2 production bases, with total area is 266,600 square meters. WINONE is a professional manufacturing enterprise of elevator and escalator, which is integrated with R&D, project design, manufacturing, sales, installation, and after-sales service. In one of our production bases, we built a test tower up to 125 meters, which is adopted with a high-speed passenger elevator with 2,000 kg by 8 meters per second. In addition, there is a high-speed cargo elevator with 4,000 kg by 2 meters per second too, which is reached the international leading level. The purpose for us to construct intelligent factory is to improve the accuracy and the efficiency of our products and ensure the stability of product quality. WINONE Elevator has now replaced the traditional manufacturing belt line with modern belt line. The KUKA automatic robot production line was imported from Germany. Actually now, KUKA is also one company of Midea Group. The KUKA automatic can complete a work piece in 40 seconds on average, and the bending accuracy reaches 0.1 millimeter. It mainly produces the door panel and the car walls of passenger elevator and cargo elevator. Here is a leather chassis welding robot workstation. Compared with the traditional manual operation, this workstation can improve production efficiency by 40%. One chassis can be completed in 30 minutes. It also can avoid artificial false welding and leakage welding. In Chinese market, we have gained the highest A-class national certificates of production, installation, and maintenance, which is indicated that we can provide excellent products and service to our partners. Meanwhile, we have always been committed to getting in overseas markets, such as CE certificates for escalator and elevator with machine room and machinerless, and the JKKP certificates for Malaysia, EAC certificates for Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and etc. WINONE Elevator has provided service for over 40 countries. With the past 18 years development, we already have full range of products, which can meet the needs of building owners and versatile projects, such as shopping mall, apartment, hotel, public transportation, and hospitals or industries. We can provide the customized design according to the requirements. Let's see our passenger elevator series, among which WIN 5000 is our flagship product. The maximum loading capacity can reach 2,000 kg and the speed can up to 8 meters per second. What's more, we also launched the cost-effective product WinMax series for adapting to the development of low-rise building. In the meanwhile, panoramic elevator and hospital elevator as well for the market. In addition to the commercial field, we also have villa elevator, which has higher requirements for space and customization in personal projects. Through the efforts of R&D, the shaft size can be smaller and the pit demand can be shallower by the same loading capacity and the operating speed. We also have lots of doors opening methods to match with the design of villa structure. Here is WINONE's cargo elevator. The WINONE brand has good reputation in this area. In the process of development of global factories and air parking lots, the capacity requirements of cargo elevator and the car elevator are getting higher. In this field, WINONE can be regarded as a pioneer. Currently, we have achieved the maximum load of 18 tons, and the 50 tons cargo elevator will be launched soon. At the same time, based on the continuous improvement of cargo elevator technology, the loading capacity of our car elevator can be up to 4.8 tons with machine room list, and the 6 tons with machine room reaches the industrial leading level. What's more, in the process of globalization, escalator and the moving walk occupy the most important position in public transportation and the commercial complex. WINONE also has the capacity of independent research and production to manufacture these two products to escort the construction in this field. After we see through our product layout, let us find out what is inside in our products. One escalator has 3 core components, including permanent magnet synchronous machine. WINONE is able to produce the traction machine by ourselves. It has several advantages, such as energy saving, environmental protection, stability, reliability, small volume, and space saving. Also, it is full sealed without oil, easy for maintenance and cost saving. Moreover, the adaptive control noise is only 55 dB, which is 10 dB lower than national standard. Next one is our integrated control cabinet, which adopts dual 64-bit CPU control. It makes the elevator stop directly and has higher operation efficiency. At the same time, it has the function of automatic weighing, which makes the elevator start and stop more stably and comfortably. With the strong electromagnetic compatibility and the anti-interference ability for more stable move. The last part is our door machine system, which adopts X-type multi-speed curve, can be independently debugged. In addition, it has fault tolerance recording function, which can analyze the fault more quickly. It is known that, in addition to products, service is also a very important part for elevator. We can customize service according to the needs of partners, including changing the color of metal, adding drawing samples, matching with marble floor, luxury ceiling, and handrail. Meanwhile, we can adjust the size of car and door to meet the building based on the requirements of the actual shaft. The second is our IoT system. Through this IoT system, our partners, manufacturers, maintenance units, and the regulatory departments can see the operation status of each elevator at the first time, whenever it is going up, going down, or door opening. After the enter the interface of IoT system, we can see the status of elevator more clearly, including whether it is cold inside or outside, or is leveling or in normal status, or within maintenance or failure. Normally, if the elevator breaks down, it needs to be found out first, and then report to the operators for repair. Then the operators contact the maintenance department to send people to inspect it. If they bring the correct spare part, they can carry out maintenance on site. If they don't, they have to return to the maintenance point to bring the spare part, so the time is wasted. Now, with the help of IoT system, when the elevator breaks down, it will automatically generate a short message and send it directly to the mobile phone of the maintenance personnel within 1 minute. In this way, the maintenance time is greatly shortened. On the other hand, when we use elevators, what we worry about most is people being trapped. When someone is trapped inside, there's an alarm button on cabin operation panel. What is connected to the telephone of the security room when people press the button, while the security room is unavailable. In the normal case, the call for help will not be answered for carrying out the rescue. Aiming this problem, we have made a great improvement on it. Our alarm button has 5 types of calling functions, which means that we can set 4 additional telephone numbers for security room, property manager, maintenance personnel, regulatory units, etc. When someone gets trapped, once he presses the alarm button, the elevator will automatically and continuously dial these 4 calls until someone answers, so he can be rescued quickly. During the COVID-19, WINONE responded quickly and developed the automatic disinfection function, non-contact calling function, voice automatic calling function, and the face recognition to help reducing the transmission of virus. Besides of this, WINONE also has an elevator training center, which can issue the certificates for government. It is not only a training for companies' internal technical personnel, but also provides online and offline training courses for partners workers to ensure the installation and operation qualities of elevators. In the future, our Internet of Things system will develop in a more humanized service direction. Firstly, when the main components reach the maintenance period, the IoT system will automatically remind the user to replace or maintain them. For example, the life of button is 5 million times. When it reaches to 4.9 million times, our system will give us a warning message to remind replacing. Secondly, the maintenance date, process, and contents of elevator will be recorded. The system can analyze the qualities of the maintenance according to these records. To conclude, faster speed and larger loading capacity is the direction what we keep moving on it. The last but not least, the elevator system is integrated with the intelligent building solution of Midea HBT, striving for less power consumption and the higher energy efficiency. The future of WINONE aims at serving the smart city with our cutting-edge technology and superior R&D capability. I'm convinced of that with the help of additional elevator products, the Midea intelligent building solution will become more complete. This will greatly enhance our business strength and market competitive power. Finally, I much look forward to cooperating with you in the elevator business. Thank you again.